Hey guys, thought I'd just make a video to show that 35s do fit on these new GMCs. I do have the 3.5 inch rough country leveling lift, whatever you want to call it. I know it's not a full-on lift, but the way I like to explain the GMCs, it's kind of like a round peg in a square hole with these wheel wells. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt getting big tires to fit. You can see the back's got pretty good space. No issues there. Front's a little different. You can see how close we are to the mud flap there. And I actually had to do some pretty good trimming. You can kind of see I basically had to cut one of the brackets off completely, cut the felt liner back. You can see how much I cut off there. You can kind of get a shot there, the mud flap. You can see how much surgery I had to do there. But there's no scrubbing. Factory mud flap still on. The front, I did a little cutting as well of the felt liner there. I also took a Dremel and basically removed most of my lower air dam. So you can see I've got, like, you know, a little 1.5 inch strip of plastic left, which that also kind of helped on the front side here to keep it away from the tire when it turns. And just kind of get a shot there to kind of see what those 35s look like. So these are 295/65 20s, the tires, which works out to be 35.1 inches tall. So it's a big tire. And just kind of give you guys a good shot of the tires and how they fill out the wheel well. Not the widest tires, but you really can't go very wide. I only have 1/4 inch spacers installed, so they're pushed out just a little bit, and that's because of the upper control arm. It's very close. You can see it up there. So, anyways, just wanted to share this because I know a lot of people are trying to stuff 35s on their new GMCs, and they probably are wondering if they can do it or not. That's how it turned out. Thanks, guys.